What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm hanging on the porch, and Amanda's doing work.
But it's nice on the porch.
It is kind of nice on the porch today, huh?
Yeah.
I'm kind of excited.
Me too.
It's a weekend vlog. What are we doing today? Well, Amanda's making me ribs,
Yes.
which I'm so excited for. And I think Uncle Brett's coming over today.
Nice.
And maybe we should play some croquet?
That'd be fun.
Ooh, croquet sounds really good. And I think there's martinis in my future.
I think I'm gonna make some potato salad. Sweet potato salad to go with the ribs.
Oh, that sounds really good.
All right.
Other than that, I don't know what else to do. So, let's get started with our day. Bye, Amanda. She's going to get gin for martinis later. While she's gone, I feel like I should do things. Maybe around the house. But what? I have an idea. Might as well eat cookies. That was a good cookie. Now what do I do? Gotta check the ribs. Yep, not even close. Wonder if the kids want a snack. Kids! These are probably the best goldfish that have ever been created. Flavor blasted. What are you doing under there? Do you guys want some goldfish?
Yes.
All right. You can't take the whole bag. Give it back, 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 give it back. Get back here.
No, I'm not doing it. Okay, fine.
Whoa! All right, pal. Here you go. Share with your sister. Just quick update on the patch job here. I still haven't done it. Am I gonna do it today? Gotta be honest, probably not. There's always next week. Oh no, the bird feeder's empty. One, we need a new bird feeder, but two, I think we have bird seed. That was really hard to do one-handed. Now let's see if any birds come. Amanda's home. Do you need help?
You're really just gonna record me?
Yup. You know, I filled the bird feeder.
Yeah? Oh, good. We're running low.
I was trying to do a time lapse of it.
Yeah?
I don't think any birds came.
The birds come all the time.
They didn't come this time. They knew I was filming them.
Ooh, they're onto us.
They know. Miles, run! Michelle is lava! Oh no, Michelle! Miles is lava!
Oh no! Yes!
All right. How are the ribs looking? Oh my gosh, those look so good. I'm so ready to eat them. So our town is doing this thing called Candy Fairies, and we just had somebody drop off their candy for us.
And it's Michelle's friend. My best friend.
And it was one of Michelle's best friends.
Thank you so much. Have a good one.
They're leaving right now. Michelle, show me all the candy that you got.
Oh wow.
There's like a ton of candy in there.
So there's Sour Kids Extreme,
Whoa.
Nice.
Twix, Reese's Pieces, more Reese's Pieces, Kit Kats. Now there's Chips Ahoy. There's Golden Oreo Minis.
Oh my goodness.
That is a lot of stuff. Kids get none. And Amanda, we get it all.
No, you don't.
Here you go, Amanda.
Thank you. I needed this.
Me too.
See?
Miles, can you show me how you get on the counter, please?
Yeah. So, yeah.
Bravo, sir, bravo. Just about lunchtime, and I've been waiting all day to eat the ribs. We're just crisping them up now. I can't grab them because that's hot. Uncle Brett's here. What's up, Uncle Brett?
What's going on? I'm here. What are you doing?
That means two things. One, we get to have martinis. Two, we get to have these ribs. Oh, I burned myself, but they look so good. How was lunch?
It was amazing. It was good. I think the ribs could have gone a little longer, but it was good.
I agree. Amanda's new favorite drink is the Under the Sea Teenies that we made recently. And I admit, I'm kind of drinking them too, and our friends have liked them too. So I'm gonna link that video and you guys should try that because it was the best. But for right now, Amanda! All right, we're gonna play croquet and finish our martinis. We'll see you guys next week, next time. We'll see you guys next time.
Don't forget to bring home the milk.